What is goosegrass? This tough, wiry summer annual weed grows in both warm season and cool season turf and thrives in stressed lawns. It's commonly found in yards with thin strands of grass, compacted soil, and poor drainage. Areas of the lawn that are mowed too short or have high foot traffic are also likely to have goosegrass. Often mistaken for crabgrass or dallis grass, goosegrass has some unique identification traits which can help you quickly get control of this troublesome weed. Goosegrass grows in a clump or bunch. It has darker green leaves growing from a silver to gray base. At the base, the stems may be hairy or tufted, and as they grow out farther, they become smoother. The leaves of goosegrass are also flat or slightly folded, and the seeds at the end of the leaves resemble zippers. In the late summer and early fall, it may produce 4 small petaled white flowers. Pre-emergent herbicides, or weed preventers, are your best defense to keep goosegrass out of your lawn. Goosegrass begins to germinate when soil temperatures reach between 60 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is often several weeks later than crabgrass germination. If you applied a weed prevention treatment in the early spring to control weeds like crabgrass, by the time goosegrass germinates, early pre-emergent herbicide applications may have started to break down. Applying split pre-emergent treatments in the spring, once in early spring and again in late spring, will extend the herbicide's effectiveness and ensure you have protection leading into the goosegrass germination window. When picking a pre-emergent, select one that is labeled to control goosegrass and can be applied to your turf type. Common pre-emergent active ingredients that control goosegrass include dithiopyr, brodiamine, and pendimethalin. If you are already seeing goosegrass in your yard, you'll need to use a selective post-emergent herbicide labeled to control goosegrass to eliminate the weed. There are many herbicides that can control goosegrass, but some may only be labeled to treat for goosegrass in specific areas, such as landscaped areas or turf areas. When treating for goosegrass in your lawn, select an herbicide that is labeled for use in your grass type to minimize damage to desirable turf surrounding the weed. Prepare and apply the herbicide spray mixture according to the product label. Goosegrass can be stubborn to control. A follow-up or reapplication at the specified retreatment interval on the product label may be needed for full results. For small infestations, you can pull goosegrass by hand, especially after rain when the soil is moist. Be sure to remove the entire root to prevent regrowth. Improving your lawn's overall health can deter goosegrass growth. If your lawn is prone to goosegrass, or if you have had goosegrass previously, there are several steps you can take to stop this wiry weed from returning. Aerate soil in early spring before you apply pre-emergent herbicides to break up compacted soil. Keep grass blades at least 1 inch tall throughout the summer to reduce stress on the turf, which makes it less susceptible to weeds. Seed thin patches of turf to help the areas fill in and crowd out weeds such as goosegrass. Fix drainage issues and add pathways in high traffic areas. Goosegrass is often found in high foot traffic areas, and reducing the amount of walking on turf can help. By applying these controls and prevention methods, you can keep goosegrass out of your lawn and enjoy a lush, healthy yard all summer long. Be sure to read and follow the product label for full usage rates and application instructions to safely and effectively apply goosegrass control herbicides. Always wear the appropriate PPE, including gloves and protective clothing, while applying weed control products, and keep pets and kids off the lawn until the herbicide spray dries. For more tips and product recommendations, check out our Goosegrass Weed Control Guide on DoMyOwn.com. And it's that easy. From the expert help from DoMyOwn.com, subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos. Thanks for watching.